Good morning, children. Today we will discuss about our fourth lesson, that is working with tables. In the previous class, we learned about how to create a document, how to close, and how to save the document in MS Access 2010, children. In this lesson, we learn more activities are associated with a database. Our next topic is creating a table, children. Tables are the building blocks of a database. Data stored in a database by using tables only, children. How can we add the data, children? By using the tables. You can add tables to an existing database also. We can add the tables to an existing database. That means already we created a database. In that only two tables are there. If you want to add one more table to that database, means we can add by using like this. Okay, children, now I will say you can add a table in the existing database also, children. Adding a table in the design view. For that, click on the title table design. Our next topic is, children, adding a table in design view. Okay, children, we know that we have some tabs. Those are home tab, create, external data, like that design. We have all these are the tabs on our MS Access 2010. We just click on the table design option in the create tab. On the create tab, where it will be, children, on the create tab we have tables design option will be. We just click on that one. Then the table will be open in the design view. A table will be open in a design view, children. There we have two pans. Okay, that window will consist of two pans. The first one is called field entry pan and the other one is called the field properties pan. Okay, children, the first one is called the field entry pan and the second one is called the field properties pan. Adding fields in design view, children. See here, in the field entry pan we have three columns, children. In that first one is field name column, data type column and description column, children. See here, if you want to give field names, in the field name column you just type the name as examples are roll number, class, name, house, like that, children. Just type the field name there in the field name column and then press the tab key to move to the data type column. By default it is there in the text data type, children. If you want to change, here drop down arrow will be, you just click on that one. There you will get all the different types of data types. Those are already we know that text, number, memo, date and time, like that, children. Whatever you want, you just select that one. First, for suppose we will take this one roll number, means we will take the number data type. Then press the tab key to go to the description column. There if you want to give any description for that field, you just give the description there in the description column. Okay, whatever you give in the description column, that will be displayed on the status bar. Where it will be displayed, children? On the status bar it will be displayed when you select that field. Whenever you select that field, that is in the description, whatever you gave in the description, that you can that is displayed on the status bar. Like that, you just define all the fields and then save the table. Hello, children, now we will see those topics in the computer. For that we must go to here start button. First we should open, children? Yes, MS Access 2010. For that we should click on here start menu. See the mouse pointer, children? See here, this is start menu. Click on the start menu, then scroll down till you will get the Microsoft Office. In that drop down arrow is there, you just click on that one. Then you will get the Microsoft Office Access 2010, children. You just select that one. Then you will get the access window like this. Here some unwanted Microsoft Office word will come like that, you just clear it. Then select the blank database. By default it will be selected the blank database. That yellow color is there now, children, that is. Just click on the blank database and then create. Okay, you want to give any file name, means here in the file name box you can give. See here, I am giving just class. class 8. Then here click on the create. Click on create. Then you will get the window like this, children. In this window, see here. Now what we are learning, children, now how to create a table in the design view. For that we should go to here create tab. We know here home, create, external data, database tools. These are the tabs we have. In that we should go to here create tab, children. See the mouse pointer once again. See here create tab. Just left click. Just click on the left click. In that create tab we have the ribbon. In the ribbon we get all these options. What are those? Table, table design, and so on. Those options you will get. In that you just click on the table design option, children. What is that? Table design option. Just click on the table design. Then you will get the two pans here. The window will be open in the two ways. The first one is called the field entry pan, and this one is called the field properties pan. Down you can see here, children, field properties. So the down one is called as the field properties pan, and this is called the field entry pan. Fields means what, children? Column headings. In a table we must need the column headings. Without column headings we can create a table, children? No. We are giving now column names. That means column headings as a field name. Fields are nothing but columns, children. Here field name I want. Here you should type the name, field name, whatever you want. Like this name I want. If you will give the name, in the data type you can select the data type, children. See, data type. By default the data type will be in the text format. Okay, you want to change, you can change it. Here drop down arrow is there. You just click on the drop down arrow, then you can select whatever you want. Name will be there in the text format only. So just click on the select the text only. Next one, if you want to type the date of birth, DOB. I am just typing DOB. Okay, children. Okay, DOB in which format, children? See, click on the drop down arrow. See text, memo, number, date and time, currency, auto number. Already we learned all these data types now, children, in the second lesson. So date of birth in the format of date and time. So you can select the date and time. For that phone number, what you will give, children? For the phone number? Yes, number. Number data type. Phone number will be there in the number data type. Okay, by default it will be there in the text format. If you want to change, you can change by clicking on the drop down arrow key. Okay, like this. Not only this field name and data type, children, about that field, if you want to give any description, means here in the description box you can type anything about that field. This is about the description. That means in that field whatever we are typing or what we are storing, about that you can write here in the description box. After typing all this, you just go to here view button, children. View button. What is that? View. Click on that one, view. Then in that one data sheet view will be. Okay, click on the data sheet view. It will asking you want to save the table. Just click on as we should save. Table 2 only you can click. Okay, okay, now. So see here, if you click on all those options, then what you will get? What table will get? As a column headings as name, date of birth and phone number. Like this you can create a table. Already I created one table, children. For your convenience I am just showing. See. Just go to here file menu. Click on open. In that open, go here down. 13. See here, table 1, table 2, table 3 is there. See, like this. I want to show you now, wait. In the design view, go to the design view. In the design view, what you will get, children? All the field names and data types only. See here, strength, auto number, roll number, text. Roll number is the, maybe you can give the text or number, anything. Name, text, father's name, text, mother's name, text, class. 8th A1, 8th A2. We must write down the text also. So we can give the text format also. We know the data types, children. Tuition fee number, phone number and number. These are the some data types. If you will type all these things, then you can go to here view button. Then click on here data sheet view. In the data sheet view only we can enter the details. We can create the table of the rows. Okay. In the design view, we can create the column headings, that means fields. Okay children, this is about the class.